7 Sigma Off-Grid.
So here in the city, I was gonna grab a yard of compost. They recommended just doing 50-50 topsoil and compost, so I'll try that. So I'm about to grab 1 yard, which should be roughly about 2,000 pounds or so. My max here in the Sprinter van, of course, is 3,600 pounds. So I want to grab 2 bags. Better, I'm not gonna risk it. We'll see what happens. Bag of 50-50 soil, strap this down, head up to the property. I know it's not going to be enough for 4 beds, but oh well.
Okay, guys, so my husband, Rara, is showing me he's so proud of himself.
I'm not.
You proud of yourself because you got it for cheap.
Yeah, I got it for cheap.
So he got some compost, 50-50 topsoil and compost. I'm sure he already gave you guys the rundown. I'm the last to know. So yeah, he got it for a good price. What'd you say, 30 something?
35 bucks.
35 bucks. So I guess he's ready to do some gardening.
Almost. We got to do this 4 more times.
Oh, it smells like compost. Wait a minute, what do you mean we got to do this? How many more times?
I don't know how much that's going to fill up.
And we are going to take this to the property this weekend. And what are we going to do with it?
Make dirt.
We're going to make dirt.
We're going to make dirt castles.
We're going to make dirt castles. All right, guys, we are at our 3rd home, Laos, and we are here to get, what are we here to get?
I don't know. You got a list.
Oh, we're here to get 10 snippets.
Oh, 10 snips.
What's a 10 snip?
I have to find out why you walking so fast.
Because I'm trying to get you in the shot with me. Stop going fast.
Here, I gotta go cook.
Okay. Okay, we're here to get 10 snips, whatever 10 snips are. I remember, don't tell me, 10 snips are those little cut things so that we can cut wire, because last time we was cutting wire with a lopper. So my husband is going to invest in some.
Invest? So cheap.
Okay, that's still an investment. Anytime you spend money, it's an investment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna invest in some 10 snips. $30, that's an investment.
Go to Harbor Freight. You got a phone, help me look for it.
I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm right where I belong, on the phone.
It's an aviation snip. There's too many different snips. I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're looking for?
I see it. I just don't know which one does what. They're all different.
Oh, it don't tell you on the back?
I don't know what an aviation snip is. Just look it up.
They got a right cut, a straight cut, an offset left cut. Oh my gosh. How are you supposed to know which one to get?
Mm-hmm.
You know, you could do a horror movie in Lowe's and Home Depot. This would be the best place to do one.
I'm talking about I'm trying to read.
Oh.
I don't know what aviation snip is. It's about a scary movie. Oh, so it cuts aluminum sheet. Oh, okay.
Yellow handles are straight. How about you just get a whole pack right here, 3-pack?
That's $30.
Okay, that's an investment.
Why I need to cut left and right? I can just.
You might need to.
That's kind of goofy. Why you can't just cut left and right with a straight one?
Didn't you say you was trying to get your tool game up?
Yes.
So get your tool game up.
I'm zooming all in my head. If you don't leave me alone today, I was tired. You messing with me.
You're cranky. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the camera. Say bye. That look like Lego scissors. What would you use that for? Those are scissors for giants.
That's what I cut my toenails with.
Yeah, you need to. I'm just saying. Okay, we got our 10 snips. Now we are on our way to get a shower head because we do not like the shower head that came with the home. So we're gonna go find a shower head that we can actually pull off and use. Right now, the one that we have is kind of stuck in place and we can't use it the way we would like to.
And it needs to be low flow.
And it needs to be low flow, yes.
To save some water.
I like gushy water.
You gotta save water.
We got a whole bunch of water. We just had
You need to conserve it too. You don't need to just waste it because we got a whole bunch of water.
Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see.
All of these are low flow.
So what does low flow mean? It's just like, is it the pressure?
Mm-hmm.
I want the pressure.
The wastewater. We ain't in the city. We're preparing for the apocalypse. Gallons per minute. Max flow rate 1.8 gallons per minute.
So that's basically a trickle.
It's almost 2 gallons a minute.
How about you just get a regular and then you just turn it on real quick and turn it off like we've been doing?
Mm-mm.
You mean
Conserve.
So we have our shower head in hand, and now we are off to the garden area.
Low flow.
We got low flow. Now we're off to the garden area, and we have lots of things to look for in there. What are we gonna look for?
I don't know. You said lots of stuff. I got what I need. This is for you.
Okay, so we're gonna look for some staples because we used all our staples. We're gonna look for some stepping stones because we do not like stepping on the rocks. And we're gonna look for...
Oh, I wanted to see how much compost and topsoil is here. Even though we already got some. See how much we saved.
Well, my husband's doing finance stuff, so
Cheap.
we need to look for food. How about we do that?
What kind of food? Food to eat?
Yeah, food to grow.
Food to eat.
Oh, we do need to. We'll be eating.
Pizza.
I'm always eating pizza. I don't want pizza. Okay, so anyway, so they have compost here.
Peat moss is $24 a bag.
What's peat moss?
Whatever you call that stuff. Peat moss.
You just as bad as me.
The one bag,
It's $8.
$9.
That's not bad, right?
Well,
What?
that ain't gonna put a dent.
Oh, in the bins? No. See, we would have to get a lot of those in order to.
You have to buy a pallet.
Oh, all right.
Okay, what are staples?
You walking too fast. You get back here. I got Achilles problems.
These are goofy staples.
Where did you get the other ones? You had a whole box.
Amazon.
Oh, well.
That's the ordering time. I was trying to get them before tomorrow, but I guess they did it.
So we are in the designing phase for around the house, and neither one of us like to walk on those rocks, and we walk back there quite a bit. I would like to get some stepping stones so we can put on the rocks, and so that's what I'm looking for now, but they don't have a lot of options. Is this it?
Got some more right here.
Oh.
All right behind you, all of these little...
Yeah, this does not look like stepping stones.
You can make them be stepping stones.
How?
Just lay them on the ground and step on them.
No.
Ain't nothing but baby pavers.
So anyway, that's what we are in the market for, our stepping stones.
Oh, these are dope.
Ooh, those are nice. That's $5.
They're not comfortable like that.
We found some rubber ones that were comfortable, but they were like $6 per thing. Let me show you what the rubber ones look like. We thought those were comfortable. So these are $6.98. They are rubber pavers. They're nice. I still like the rubber ones.
Of course you do. You always like the most expensive of everything.
I sure do. So all we gotta do is save up for it and get the rubber ones. That's what we're gonna do. We can get anything we want. We just need to be patient.
You told them $6?
Yeah.
$7. It's $6.98.
It's $6.
$7. See how women do. It's only $6.
It's only $6.
You missed that 98 cent right
You
there,
round
too.
down. Y'all know how we do. $6.
$6.98.
Round it down. All they do is round up. We round down.
Spending money. Trader Joe's. Spending more money.
Ain't that right, doggy? She ended up spending money again. Tell her to come on out. Bring your boy back out here. Don't spend no money.
Stop filming me. Smells like compost. Very earthy. Oof. I don't like it.
Like dirt. Like earth.
All right, guys, we are packing up. We are ready to ship out for tomorrow. We're shoving it off again. Ooh, that's a good one. Who can tell us?
What's up with you and all this trivia?
Who can tell us where that's from? It's a cartoon.
Over the hills, let's go, men.
We're shoving it off and shoving it off again.
Then who came? He said, shove it off again. Shove it off again. Gave it away.
Tell us which cartoon that is. Anyway, guys, we just want to say thank you so much for joining us on this journey, and we will see you next time. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.